Sorry.
Ayan, gising na kayo guys. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the De La Salle Green Spikers for beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles in 4 sets. The Green Spikers are now in 4th place with a 4-2 record. We have Coach Jose Roque, Menard Guerrero, and Noel Campton. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So, what can you say na solo port na kayo at this is a very important win kasi syempre na malapit na tayo sa kalagitnaan ng eliminations. What can you say about your team's performance against Ateneo?
Well, proud to say kasi nagawa namin yung plano namin at the same time. Well, lahat ng buusan namin ng panahon sa Mao, ito na yung resulta. So, yun naman ang goal namin for now. Bago matapos yung last game, we see to it na magawa namin talaga yung mission namin for this season.
Thank you. To Menard, you had 20 extra receptions and 17 digs. So, facing against, syempre, si Ken Batas, yung solid atake natin. So, ano yung ginawa niyo? Syempre, lalo important itong match to, lalo na malapit tayo sa kalagitnaan ng elimination.
Siguro knowing Ateneo talagang iba yung hugot nila from this game siguro kasi from past 2 season parang sila yung almost pero hindi nakakapasok. So parang every viewing namin or every game na ginagawa nila talagang lahat ng follow nila parang para talaga sa Ateneo, hindi lang para sa sarili nila. So parang kami mas na-inspire kami sa kanila. Ganun na parang mas ibubuhos namin yung best namin para tapatan kung ano yung meron sila. Na kung paano sila mag-enjoy, ganun din yung gagawin namin para at the end of the day, kung ano man yung maging result ng game, satisfied kami as a team, hindi lang as a individual. Yun po.
Thank you, Menard. To Noel, he had 23 of 44 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 6 extra receptions, and 5 digs. So, syempre nasa malapit tayo sa gitna ng elimination. So, how important itong victory nito? Syempre, moving forward, medyo yun nga, for solo port na kayo for the meantime, what can you say?
Yung solo fort pala namin, hindi na bago sa amin yung kasi the past 2 years na seasons, back-to-back 4th place kami. So, naka-proud, 3-peat kami 4th ngayon. Joke lang. So, yun nga, yung props to Ateneo, yung ibang-iba talaga sila. Like, hindi sila katulad ng Ateneo dati na pag yung Ateneo nakalaban namin yung alam namin sa sarili namin na kaya namin. Pero ito yung Ateneo, ako to be honest, kagabi hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos kasi kinakabahan na ako kasi iba yung ginagalaw ng Ateneo, yung system nila, plus bagong coach pa si Kuya Vince, plus may Peter Torres pa, yung exposure na nakuha nila sa Japan, nadala talaga nila dito eh. Samantala kami, wala kaming training abroad, kaya inaano ko talaga na yung i-gauge namin. So, hopefully, kahit na yun, na planuhan ng coaches namin kung paano gawin namin. So, thank God, nanalo kami and may round 2 pa. So, we'll see kung makakapanalo pa kami or tuloy-tuloy. And hopefully, basta importante, wala na injured lang din.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Sa players, siguro may extra hugot lang din ba na syempre, Ateneo rivals, one of the last few face-offs nyo knowing na seniors.
Super, because we're fighting for we're fighting for our pride, school pride na to eh. Like any events, basketball, volleyball, etc. Ateneo versus La Salle, sobrang classic talaga. So, sobrang big moral din sa amin to nanalo kami kasi we beat our rival school. Yun.
For me naman, actually, it's not about the rivalry. Siguro, halos lahat naman ng UAP schools rivalry. So, siguro mas nag-focus lang din kami sa Ateneo kasi must win to kasi parang makapasok kami sa top 4 as of now. So parang yun, hindi na siya more of rivalry, more of na siya parang kung paano kami makakapasok sa top 4. Yun lang talaga yung parang mas pinagandaan namin.
Coach, sunod-sunod na yung panalo nyo. Ito na ba yung nakikita mo na inaasahan mo talaga sa team mo?
Sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Sabi nga ng mga players ko, well, nandun naman yung tiwala ko sa kanila. It's just that yung siguro convincing them more, encouraging more, motivating them more para makita talaga nila yung picture na this is it. Ito na talaga yun. So, it's hindi lang naman kaming mga coaches ang gagawa na. Of course, kailangan namin ng tulong nila.
Coach, your last game is FPU this Saturday. So, yun nga, FPU is the only undefeated team this season. So, tsaka syempre, I'm sure nakaharap na kayo sa mga pre-season tournaments. So, what can you say facing FPU na sila yung angat na angat this season? What can you say, Coach?
Well, siguro, ito yung time na gusto talaga namin bumawi. We don't want din na magkaroon ng saplado if ever. Pero we try our best na ngayon makabawi kami. Ibibigay namin talaga yung best namin. Maybe better than this, hopefully. So I push them talaga.
And to the players facing FPU, syempre FPU, sila yung undefeated. Tapos maganda yung pinakita nila ng mga pre-season tournaments. So Noel and Menard, what can you say about facing FPU?
Sobrang excited kasi sila talaga yung rank 1 ngayon eh. So, syempre, props to FEU, tinatrabaho talaga nila lahat ng game nila. And yung natalo din nila yung NU, yung defending champion, mas lalong nag-boost yung moral nila. So kami, ready lang kami and kung anong challenge na bibigay ng FEU sa amin, tatry namin na kunin yung challenge na yun.
And you, kasi they have also good libero like si Sebadio, so what can you say about facing FPU?
Siguro papakita na lang din namin yung best namin kasi parang mas walang pressure sa amin eh. Kasi kami may talo na kami dalawa, sila wala pa. So parang sila, nag-strive sila na parang mas 7-0, kami, mag-strive kami na baka sakali matalo namin sila. Pero alam naman namin na every game na ginagawa ng FPU, pinaghahandaan nila. So ganun din kami. Parang mas lang sa amin kasi walang pressure sa amin. Kasi hindi naman kami yung undefeated eh. Sila naman yung undefeated eh. So parang ibibigay lang namin yung best namin, maglalaro lang kami ng masaya. Kung ano yung nilaro namin kanina, siguro kung kaya, doble, triple, yun ay gagawin namin.
Congratulations ko sa Noel and Menard. Thank you.
Check, check.
Kakasa po ba?